Hello students, so we are back again in our maths class, right? In our last video we have solved up to exercise 4C. So today we are going to learn something new in exercise 4D, and what we are going to learn today is very important, so try to understand what I am explaining and what I am trying to make you all understand, okay? And I will give you some more extra questions also, okay? Because in your book there are few questions, and as this part I told you it is very important, I am going to give you some extra questions also to solve. Clear? So let's start. Let's read the question. Solve the following and reduce to lowest term. First, what we have to do? We have to solve the following and reduce to lowest term. Means after solving this, we have to reduce to lowest term also. Lowest term we did it in our 4C. Means we have to cut it with the same table, right? So let's see how to do this. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. Now just see, how can you add this fraction? 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6. How can we add? These are not integers also. These are what? These are just fraction. So how to add the fraction? First, what we have to do? We have to take the LCM of these two denominator. This is a part of the sum only. First, what you will do? You will write the denominator here, both the denominator. Okay? What you are writing here? Both the denominator you are writing here. Then just see 3 and 6. They go in which table? 3 ones are 3. 3 2s are 6. Clear? Now again in 2. 2 will go in 2's table. 2 ones are 2. Again 2 ones are 2. Both here 1 1. Therefore LCM equals to what? 3 into 2. This one 3 into 2. 3 into 2 equals to 6 is your LCM. Understood? This we have already learned, but again I am showing you what we have to do. We have to take both the denominator here and we have to take what? LCM. And what is the LCM here? 6. So now what is your next step here? Put a line. What was your LCM? 6. You will put here 6. Clear? Now come to the first fraction. What is the numerator in the first fraction? 2. So write here 2 into 2 into. Now denominator is what? 3. 3 का टेबल में 6 कब आता है? That means in 3 2s are 3 2s are 6. Again, what is there in numerator? 1 you write it. Again in 6. 6 table, when 6 come? 6 1 ja 6 1 ja 6. Clear? This thing again I am telling you, don't get confused, okay? When what is the denominator here? 3. If it is 6 here, 3 का टेबल में 6 कब आता है? 2 जा, तो 3 2 जा 6. ये जो 2 है यहाँ पे ऊपर में जो नंबर है वो ऊपर ही रहेगा, वो चेंज नहीं होगा. कोई भी नंबर हो यहाँ पे, ठीक है? एनी नंबर कैन बी हियर, वो वहीं पे रहेगा. नीचे वाला डिनोमिनेटर से तुम लोग देखोगे कि 6 में कब आ रहा है? 3 2 जा 6. अंडरस्टूड? सो now you see 2 2s are 4. Plus sign. Here it is plus sign, so I am giving here plus sign. 1 1s are 1 by 6. 4 plus 1 5 by 6. Understood? This is how to solve it. Now we cannot take it in lowest term, so I did not do any sort of reducing the numbers. 5 by 6, they don't go in any one table, so I just left it here. This is my answer. Clear? Now write down question number 2. Number B. 1 by 2. Here it is plus sign, so you are writing here plus sign. Clear? Again, so what is our first step? We have to take the LCM of these two denominators. Clear? So write here 2, write here 8. So what you will do? You will take LCM first. 2. In 2's table, 2 1s are 2 1s are 2. Again 2 4s are 2 4s are 8. We are doing simple divide, okay? Then again in 2 1. No need to write because 1 does not go same number. 2 2s are 4. Again with 2. 2 1s are again. Clear? 2 1s are 2. We have to bring here 1. Therefore, what is the LCM? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is 8. So our LCM is what? 8. So we are writing here what? 8. So what is there in the numerator? 1 into. Now in 2's table, when does 8 come? 2 4s are 8. So what we are going to write here? 2 4s are. 2 4s are 8. Just see timetable. 2 4s are 8. Clear? Then again plus sign. We will write plus sign. Here it is 5. We will write 5. Again into. In 8 tables, 8 when it comes? 8 1s are 8 1s are 8. Then again 1 4s are 4 plus 5 1s are 5 by 8. 9 by 8. Now see, 9 by 8 is improper fraction now. We cannot keep the answer in improper fraction. So what we have to do? We have to change it into mixed fraction. How to change in mixed fraction? 8 1s are 1 by 8. This we have already done it. 1 by 8 is your answer. Understood? Now question number 3. Question number C. Okay. So first what we will do? We will find LCM. Our first duty is to find the LCM. 2 4s are, we are dividing. Okay. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Again with 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. So our LCM is again 2 into 2 into 2. 4 into 2 equals to 8 is our LCM. Clear? So now our next step is what? We will write here our LCM. Now what is in the numerator? We are going to write here again into. Now just see 8 and 8. 8 and 8 1s are 8 plus 1. 4 2s are 8. Clear? If you don't remember the table, you can do one more thing also. There is one more trick. What is your LCM? You divide it with the denominator. What is your LCM here? 8. You divide it with your denominator 2. You will get your answer 2 na. So we are writing here 2. Clear? Now see, this is small number, right? This is small number, so you can easily multiply. 4 2s are 8. If it is big number, if the number becomes big, then what you will do? You have to divide it. Then you can easily find it, right? 7 1s are 7. 8. Again 9 by 8. 9 by 8 means it is improper fraction. So we are going to again change it into mixed fraction. 1 by 8. Clear everyone? Now students, see, in your book only we have what? Plus. Clear? But let us do 2 or 3 questions extra for minus also. Okay, let us learn few questions with minus also. So student, this question is not in your book, okay, but this is an extra question. So let us try this extra question also. So what we will do? We will rewrite the question once again. Now what can you see here? Denominator is same na, right? When denominator is same, what we do? Our LCM is also same. No need to take LCM if denominator is same. Now here 7 8 1s are 8 minus. Here minus sign, so we are writing here minus sign into 1. 7 1s are 7. 3 1s are 3 by 8. 4 by 8. Now just see, we can reduce this to lowest term na. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. This we have already done. Can you remember? We have already done in our 4C. 4 and 8 both comes in 4 table, right? Like this. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So what we are doing? We are writing these numbers here. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Don't get confused, okay? This is your like extra questions, okay? If minus, then we have to do minus, and if plus means we have to do plus. One more example question you write down. 7 by 8 minus 7 by 8 minus 5 by 12. Okay. Now see, here denominators are what? Different. So what you have to do? You have to take the LCM. Clear? So let us take the LCM first. 8 and 12. By 2, 4s are 6. By 2, 3. right? 1 came, so your LCM is going to be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 24. Okay, so let us try to solve this also. Okay, so now what you will do, you are going to take LCM here. Now at numerator what it is there? 7. Now 24, here what you have? 24, here you have 8, right? 24 divided by 8, how much? You can see in rough also. Now big number, na? 24 divided by 8, what? 3. तुमने क्या किया? न्यूमरेटर को, सॉरी, इस डिनोमिनेटर को यहाँ इस डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड किया. कितना आंसर आया? 3. तो तुमको क्या लिखना है यहाँ पे? 3 लिखना है. माइनस 5 का 5 इंटू नाउ 24 डिवाइड बाई 12 कितना में आएगा? 2 जा. तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग? 2. 12 2 जा 24, 8 3 जा 24, 7 3 जा 21, माइनस 5 2 जा 10, 24. Now what is your answer? 11 by 24. You cannot make it into reduced term, so this is your final answer. So students, I will give you some more extra question. You will try to solve it by yourself. Okay? Regarding this plus and minus, don't get confused. If it is plus sign, you use plus sign. If it is minus sign, you use minus sign. But your first motto is what? To find the LCM. Then you proceed further. Clear everyone?